So let us see the security market index and what choices are being made for constructing any index and how the returns of an index is being calculated. So security market index, it represents the performance of an asset class or a market segment or a security market. Okay, and it consists of the portfolio of securities, otherwise called as constituent securities. Okay, and the value of an index is calculated um, uh, by the prices of this constituent securities. Okay, so what choices are being made during the construction of an index? First is the what is the target market that the index is going to measure first. Second, which all constituent securities is it considering for that for the index. Third, how is it going to weigh those securities. And fourth, how often the index is going to how often the index is going to rebalance. And fifth one, when the securities are going to be re-examined. Okay, so these are the 5 points that are considered during the construction of a security market index. Now let us see how the returns of an index is calculated. So returns are calculated the price index. The index that are used here are price index and return index. Okay, in price index here, the market prices, okay, the market prices of the constituent securities are considered. Okay, at that particular time. Okay, but just that market prices are considered and for the return calculation. And the rate of return that is received from this price index is called the price return. And in the return index here, both the prices of the constituent securities and the income from the securities are considered for the return calculation. And the rate of return which is received from the return index is called the total return. Okay, and if there will be if there will be income from the assets. Okay, if there will be income from the assets like from the interim cash flows, like this dividend and interest payment, then in that case the total return will be greater than the price return. Okay, and here the formula that is used for calculating the return for a specific time period. Okay, for a specific time period goes like this. If for a specific time period the return is rs, then the formula is rs is equal to 1 plus rs1 1 plus rs2. It will be calculated plus 1 plus rsk minus 1. And this s1 s2 till sk are the specific periods rate of return, which are compounded together, and they have been taken the geometric progression to calculate the this return for the measuring period. Okay, so that is about the security market index, the return calculation, and also how the index is built, or what all choices are kept in mind during the construction of any index. Thank you very much.